going to do my version of a donut. You can get these croissants at any supermarket. Today we are going to make sweet croissant bites. First, you're going to need some parchment paper. Roll it out here so that we can cut up our croissants when we open them. You don't need to flour it. Alright. And get your knife. You're just gonna cut little pieces off of it. Just like that. Nothing extravagant. If you mess up, it's alright. Alright. Considering we don't have enough room, tear up another piece of parchment paper and we will continue with the other can. And with the cutting sizes, cut them big, cut them small. Depends on what you want to do. Me, I like cutting them about this size because you get your small pieces and you also get your big pieces. Alright, next we're going to do the icing for when these are done cooking. Alright, you're going to start with 2 cups of powdered sugar, a table or so of vanilla, and now you're going to do, at a time, cold water, and then we're going to mix it together. Alright, mix it, and if you think it needs to add, you need to add a little bit more water, just add some more water to it. A little bit more. There we go. Perfect. Alright, now for this, you can set this aside until we need to use it, because right now the next step is we are going to fry these bad boys. Yeah, they're looking beautiful. Alright, key thing is flip them early so that they don't puff on you, because once they puff on you too bad, then it's going to be hard to flip. See? Yeah, those still flip. Don't they look good? They're like little pillows. Telling y'all, just wait. It's delicious. Yeah, as long as y'all flip them early, you should not have any problems, because if you don't flip them early, they'll puff up really big and you won't be able to flip them back over to brown on the other side. That is one of the key things. Now you get your spider and you get some of that excess grease off of them, spin them around a little bit, and then you're going to put them on your plates, like so. And then we're going to continue this process until they're all done, and we're going to put them into the icing. might go ahead and do a couple for y'all so y'all can see that off to the side. Alright, so with this, what you want to do is you're going to get your croissant, okay? Coat it with the icing. Alright, get your fork so that the excess icing can drip off of it, okay? And then once you do that, just put it on your parchment paper, like so. And then you continue the process until they're all done, and bon appetit.